Have you ever applied for a loan and been surprised by the interest rate you received? Maybe you've been putting off buying a house because you're worried your credit score isn't high enough. Well, my friend, understanding your credit score is crucial for navigating the financial world. But with so much conflicting information out there, it can be confusing to know how often you should check it and how those checks might impact your score itself. Today, we're going to be diving deep into the world of credit scores and Borrowell, a free service in Canada that allows you to monitor your credit health. Specifically, we'll be answering the burning question, how often can you check your credit score on Borrowell without hurting your chances of getting that dream loan or snagging a sweet credit card deal? Let's rewind a bit. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that lenders use to assess your creditworthiness. Think of it as a financial report card that reflects your history of borrowing and repaying money. The higher your score, the more trustworthy you appear to lenders, which typically translates into better interest rates and loan options. So, how often should you peek at this all-important report card? Traditionally, the recommendation has been to check your credit report once a year. However, this isn't exactly ideal. Imagine waiting a whole year to discover there's been a fraudulent account opened in your name. Identity theft is a real concern, and catching errors early can save you a lot of hassle down the road. Thankfully, with Borrowell, you can ditch the once-a-year approach. They offer a much more proactive strategy, free weekly credit score updates. That's right, you can check your Equifax credit score on Borrowell as often as you'd like without any negative repercussions. Here's why this is so beneficial. Lenders report your activity to credit bureaus throughout the month, not all at once. This means your credit score can fluctuate even within a 30-day window. By having access to weekly updates, you can stay on top of these changes and identify any potential discrepancies quickly. Now, let's address a common misconception. Checking your credit score itself does not lower your score. There are two types of credit inquiries, soft inquiries and hard inquiries. Soft inquiries, like the ones you initiate through Borrowell, have no impact on your score. They simply allow you to see your credit report and score without raising any red flags for lenders. However, hard inquiries, which lenders perform when you apply for a loan or credit card, can cause a slight dip in your score. The good news is that these dips are usually temporary and typically recover within a few months. So, the bottom line, with Borrowell, you can check your credit score as often as you want without worrying about damaging your chances of getting approved for future loans. This empowers you to be proactive about your financial health and make informed decisions. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your credit score. By taking advantage of Borrowell's free weekly updates, you can stay informed, identify errors quickly, and ultimately improve your overall financial well-being. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.